What's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back again. I'm rocking this couch right now because I'm in Amsterdam. I visited one of my best friends. He had birthday, so yeah, I'm staying with him for a week now, nearly. And yeah, today was a beautiful day, guys. Took a beautiful trade on Nasdaq. Took a sell on Nasdaq today. Shared this one with all my students. I didn't share this one for free, so if you missed out on that one, don't worry. We're gonna talk about that trade today. I made 6.8% in like 20 minutes. I mean, I was watching the chart for a while. So overall, with watching the chart, it was probably like 2 to 3 hours. I think 2 hours. And yeah, but it went out beautifully. Wonderful to start the weekend like that. Yeah, so before we start and talk about that trade, guys, let me show you one of my students' results, guys. Dion Leo, one of my students, he just had his first payout from FTMO, guys. He made 3,900, nearly 4K in a month, and yeah, he was really happy about it, and he shared this one with me. So yeah, take a look at it. He just cashed out 3,900 in a period of 30 days, which is beautiful. And so yeah, but let's talk about the trade that I took today, guys. Overall, as you can see on Nasdaq is pushing like crazy over the last days, especially Wednesday when the news event was kicking. The thing was going crazy. I took a lot of trades on Wednesday. I was trading before the big news event. During the late London session, I took a couple of buys and sells. Was not really hitting a beautiful trade because the market was mostly ranging, was not really moving. And yeah, when the news event was kicking, the market was slashing up and down, grabbing a lot of liquidity. And at the end, I was able to bank on that huge push to the upside. I mean, I just took like 1/3 of that move, but it was enough to get rid of like 4 or 5 losing trades. But we're not going to talk about Wednesday, guys. All I can say is that if you have a big news event coming at a specific day, before that news event, most of the time the market is ranging, not doing anything. So it's better to just stay out of the market, wait for the news to clap, and then see if you can get a trade based off of what you see in the market, price action, the momentum that you can see. Maybe you can participate, but overall, I would say, guys, just don't trade news events. They are they move pretty violent. You can lose your account. Sometimes the market is moving so fast it doesn't even hit your stop, and probably you're gonna get wiped out. So be careful on that days, okay? Always have the economic calendar open to see if your market is going to get hit by a news event, okay? So you stay up to date. All right, what we had today, market was okay, let's check the 50-minute chart. As you can see, yesterday the market was pushing up, and then later on it was moving down. It came down at the end of the session yesterday. So overall, I really expected the market today to drop a little more. We had non-farm payrolls today, and as you can see, non-farm payrolls was bringing the price down. I'm sure a lot of sellers got into the market somewhere in here, and then they turned the price around. They turned the market around. They were pushing up some more. They hit 12,800, big figure number, and this was an area where I was interested in, and so I checked the price action on the smaller time frames. And yeah, so what was happening in here, guys, as you can see, market was pushing above this significant high that was created during the NFP event. As you can see, boom, market was coming down. Then when the New York session started, the New York Stock Exchange opening, the market was pushing up, and then you see how it got exhausted in here. It was slowing down a little bit, and then I saw this beautiful push to the downside. After, I mean, we took out big figure number 12,800 somewhere in this area. Price was bouncing, but it came all the way back for another liquidity grab, I would say. And then we had like these 2 1-minute candles who were pushing with a lot of force. And this was the moment when I decided to try to get at least a little pullback to the downside, and I shared this one with all my students. So I stepped into game in here on the little pullback. I stepped into the game again. I loaded up my position. So the second position was a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. The first one was probably like a 1-to-1. Yeah, I wrote this thing down, 20 minutes, boom, cashed out 6.8% with a risk of around 3%. So overall a little bit more than a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. And yeah, this one was beautiful, guys. I hope you had a profitable trading week as well. My month so far running good. I mean, since we started this year, I'm up more than 25%, which is amazing. I mean, when I have a good month, I average around 20%, something like that. This is always on my target. I'm not hitting it every month, but this is average, like 20% is what I'm usually doing. So yeah, this month was beautiful so far, but we still got like a lot of days left for the month. Let's see if we can make another 20% this month. I will keep you updated on this channel here, of course. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you need my help, you can always drop me a private message and join the free Telegram channel, guys. You check the links down below in the description. Just don't use anything in the comment section because there are fake accounts, scammers. Be careful, okay? So yeah, that being said, guys, enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna enjoy Amsterdam, and I will be back in a bit, guys. Take care, have a good time, peace.
Yeah.